Welcome back to Island Life Live. You know, each year the Honolulu Festival attracts thousands of new and returning spectators who are looking for an experience unique to Hawaii.
It is Hawaii's premier cultural event promoting mutual understanding, economic cooperation, and ethnic harmony between the people of Hawaii and the Pacific Rim region. And joining us right now is Festival Ambassador. She's back again, Sasha Lee. Aloha, Sasha. How are you?
Aloha. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming back.
Thank you.
We cannot wait for the fun, family-friendly weekend of cultural celebrations in and around Waikiki this weekend. What is this year's theme?
Bridging culture together for a peaceful tomorrow. Yes. So it's all about, sharing culture together and then really understanding other people's culture in Pacific Rim. And I think it's really, really important, especially during this time of the, hard time in the world. So yeah, I mean, Hawaii is so diverse in culture and people. So
this makes sense that we all come here,
absolutely,
together.
It's perfect.
Now, festival is happening this weekend, and what can we expect? I know kind of things are starting off on March 7th. Yes.
Yes. So on March 7th, we do have an educational tour going on. So we have a lot of local keikis coming in, and then have getting interaction with the performers and learn about the background of the Honolulu Festival and stuff. But we do have a friendship gala, which is kind of a closed event. We are selling the tickets still online. But on the 8th and 9th, it's just open to public. It is going to be amazing. A lot of performances and then a lot of good foods. And then sake and food festival. This year it's kind of new because we have Sushi to Me. Do you guys know Ginza Onodera sushi restaurant?
I think they came on the show before.
Oh my goodness, are you serious?
Really good. So the sushi chef is going to be there, and then they're going to teach you how to make the sushi, and then you get to eat them.
Oh, I just like eat them. Can we skip the I have to learn the part? No.
I understand. Yeah, but I mean, it's going to be so much fun. You get to learn a lot of different cultures. And then on the last day, on Sunday, you get to see the parade on Kalakaua Avenue, which is going to be from 4:30 p.m. And then the finale is going to be the fireworks.
Oh, and always that fireworks show is amazing.
I believe is it Nagoya?
Nagaoka.
Nagaoka fireworks show.
So if you want to learn about the Nagaoka firework too, we have a film festival going on at the Hawaii Convention Center. Oh. So there's a movie about Nagaoka fireworks too.
Oh, very cool.
Awesome.
Well, I know you guys got basically three areas.
Yes.
Ala Moana.
Yes, Ala Moana Center Stage, Waikiki Beach Walk, and the Hawaii Convention Center.
Oh, so it's happening all over the place.
Yes, all over Honolulu.
Oh man, I have a feeling I'm going to experience FOMO. Like I'm going to feel like I'm missing out in certain places. Is there one place that people can go to find out everything that's happening? Because I also understand that the first Bon Dance of the season is going to happen at Honolulu Festival. Yes.
Yes.
Oh man.
So you get to join the Bon Dance too, but all the information is going to be on honolulufestival.com. So the tickets are on sale, and then you can have all the information there too.
And what do you get to do as the ambassador?
Oh, I get to be on show with you guys, and then I think I'm gonna try the sushi.
Cool rank.
I tell you what, you make them, I eat them.
Okay, yeah, sounds good.
Oh, we're on good team.
We share.
Sasha.
I got iced out over here. This is very sad. All right, one more time. Where's the website? Where can people get their tickets and stuff?
honolulufestival.com.
Okay. Yes. Oh, easy. Very easy.
Thank you so much, Sasha, for hanging out with us and having fun with us. And next time you can bring food too, okay?
Oh, okay, sounds good.
Don't worry about that.
I share.
I just remembering. Anyway, our festival ambassador, Sasha Lee, Honolulu Festival coming up this weekend.
Yes.
Now up next, we're going to celebrate your happy birthdays, and we're going to do it today, right now, right here on